Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to become rich with crypto. If you guys believe in the long-term or longevity really of cryptocurrency and really seeing that the currency is continuing to rise in value year after year, well, this is going to be the right video for you. We're going to talk about what you can do to make sure you actually have enough cryptocurrency in the long term to make you guys rich as a retirement, rich in the next couple of years, in the next couple of bull markets, and really why I have done what I've done to be successful in the cryptocurrency space. So let's take a quick look at the very first thing. So we have about a 4.14% increase in the market. This is not the time to buy. If you guys have been buying, that's perfect. That's great because the cryptocurrency itself, it's all coming to closer to its all-time highs. A lot of these have had new all-time highs, like Avalanche, new all-time high. We've seen a lot of coins like Polkadot reached a new all-time high. Solana, new all-time high. These have all reached new all-time highs just in the last couple of months. However, if we take a look at the entire market, a lot of coins have not reached an all-time high in the last couple of months. That's Chainlink specifically. And this is a long-term coin that a lot of people have yet to get involved with. I will say a lot of you guys make the mistake of buying coins in the green. I will say always buying coins in the red is much more beneficial, and you want a dollar cost average in. Dollar cost averaging means basically spend the same amount week in and week out. So let's say you have $30 to spend week in and week out. Well, spend $30 or spend $60, up it, and because you're not going to have every week, you're not going to have a dip. But spend about $30 to $60 every week on a dip, on a red market dip. And that's exactly what you'll see here. So I actually make these videos called Top 5 Altcoins at Perfect Targets Now by the bottom. And then I talk about those top 5 currencies that I believe are at bottoms at those points in time during that week. And these are great opportunities for you guys to really buy in, a 3 to 4% decreases or even more, depending on that type of video or, what's going on at that point in time. But you can see here in this video a 2.6% decrease in the last 24 hours. So you're seeing at least about a 2 to 3% decrease across the board for most altcoins, then even more for some. And those are the ones I'm going to pick out. So anything around a 5 to 8% decrease is going to be very solid for dollar cost averaging in. And that's one thing I just want to say basically is don't buy green candles. Always buy the red dips, the red market dips, dollar cost average in. That's one way to make sure you will have a future that is going to continue to hopefully rise in value when it comes to cryptocurrency. Another one, guys, is you want to buy currencies or cryptocurrencies that have value long term. So a lot of people are buying things like Shiba Inu, and yeah, that's great for short term trading. It's great for trying to make just a little bit of a fun or kind of a gambling side to crypto when it comes to things like or meme coins like Shiba Inu or Dogecoin or some of those other ones that don't really have as much value when it comes to utility, but have value because of the meme behind them. So you can see here in the last month about a 152% increase, which is very solid. But I do want to say for the most part, these are not going to make it long term, most likely. They might, but most likely have a better shot with coins, like I said, like Polkadot, Chainlink, Solana, Cardano. A lot of those have had their all-time highs just in the last couple of weeks or months, and that's exactly the type of coin that you want to get invested in. Coins that have utility, coins that have benefits and reasons to be invested in. So this kind of jumps me into another one. And this is kind of the third way to be rich in cryptocurrency, and that's going to be passive rewards. So some coins like Cardano have passive income. So you can actually stake your Cardano for, I believe it's about 4 to 5% over time. It's a very gradual increase or passive rewards there. And I'm staking my Cardano, and it's definitely been a great thing to do. Same with Polkadot. You can actually stake your Polkadot for up to, I believe, about 12 to 14%, depending on where you stake. And then there's so many other great options as well. I'm not going to go through them all, but Kasama, is another one. We talked about some of these great staking capabilities. Well, one way to do this with even like Chainlink and some of those that don't even have staking is through BlockFi. So your cryptocurrency can earn up to 9.5% APY with a BlockFi interest account or BIA account. Interest occurs daily and is paid monthly. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. So you can see earn more from your crypto is exactly the whole key here. You want to make sure to earn that passive income. Passive income is definitely going to be one of the biggest reasons as to why you will become wealthy when it comes to cryptocurrency and when it comes to just in general later in the years. As we continue to grow, as we continue to see more and more retail as well as institutional investors investing into cryptocurrency, passive income is going to get you there. Passive income is going to continue to grow your wealth. I do want to talk as well about, a lot of people talking about trading, right? Short-term trading. Well, trading cryptocurrency is very, very hard because of how volatile it is. You can get chopped up pretty quickly. Definitely if you're a new trader. I would really say the best way to actually make it rich is to invest and hold. Holding and then selling your profits is definitely the safest way, in my opinion, to actually get rid of your cryptocurrency, but also earn on the way up. You do want to, continue to sell and get profits, take profits. You don't want to just, continue to hold forever and then, during a bear market, you end up selling, because that's something that a lot of rookie mistakes are, a lot of rookie mistakes. Last bull run actually took place like that. A lot of people held through the entire bull market and then sold during the bear market, which obviously was not what they wanted to do. So do take profits. That's another kind of tip I want to give you guys. But when it comes down to staying wealthy long term, right? Let's say you want to retire and you want to retire with money. And well, that's going to be a great option here with iTrust Capital. There's a lot of these out there, but iTrust Capital is a great one. So it talks about how it works. So complete your IRA application online in minutes. So it's very, very quick, and talks about 24/7 trading and secured storage. So this is a really, really, really cool concept here. You can actually invest in some cryptocurrencies long term, and I mean long term. I'm talking retirement, and it depends how old you are, obviously, how long term that is, but you might as well start this up, because crypto in 20 to 30 to 40 years, you know how big this could be, right? You know how big crypto could continue to build up to be. And with that, I think getting involved and getting an IRA account started with cryptocurrency could absolutely be the way to make sure that you retire with a lot of money. So definitely take advantage of this. I have links, by the way, to BlockFi and iTrust Capital down in the descriptions below. If you guys use my links, they help support me as well as you. So like BlockFi, if you sign up using my BlockFi link, it'll give you up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you sign up. And I know a lot of you guys are thinking, well, maybe he's just talking about these because he has referral links. No, I have referral links for these because I talk about them a lot, not the opposite way around. So I don't talk about them because I have referral links. I talk about them because, or no, I have referral links because I talk about them a lot. That's kind of what I'm trying to tell you guys. But there's also another great way, by the way, crypto.com, another great one that actually can grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. So another great one here, Crypto.com, the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can actually join 10 million plus users buying and selling 150 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. So this is kind of another one. Make sure you're on an exchange that doesn't take too high of fees. If you go to Coinbase, Coinbase is a great noob kind of friendly, friendly when it comes to cryptocurrency buying and selling. It's a very, very easy UI. However, the fees on Coinbase are much higher than many other exchanges. So if you want to try some different exchanges, Crypto.com as well as many others, I have the link down below in the description of today's video. Try out some different exchanges. It doesn't hurt to try them out. See which one you like the most, see which one takes the most fees, kind of test it around. I think it's a very, very important to have different exchanges so you can jump around. And by the way, different exchanges have different coins as well. So if you want to invest in certain coins, you're not going to be able to invest in certain coins on different exchanges. So some exchanges are better than others. Take advantage of the right ones. That's exactly what I'm kind of trying to give you guys an idea of today. So when I say dollar cost average in on some of these low, really, red market dips, that's exactly what will make you, continue to buy and actually be able to take profits early, because of, usually I would say in cryptocurrency, at least during the bull markets, typically you'll have a decrease of about 3 to 8% when it comes to altcoins, when you see the market down about 2 to 3%. And then from that, you'll actually see the next 2 or 3 days, you'll have actually a kind of reverse 3 to 8% increase. You'll actually increase right back up to the top of that. And that's exactly what you can take advantage of during these bull markets. And that's exactly why I put these videos out. If you guys haven't already, by the way, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. I will say, guys, for the most part, we talked about all the things I want to talk about and cover. But if we go to Twitter real quick, and you guys aren't following me on Twitter, go follow me on Twitter, CryptoProfitYT. If we scroll down just a little bit, we have Chainlink. So we do have a giveaway going on right now. Maybe this won't make you rich because there's probably not a viable way to continue to make a lot of money, but I do have a 40 Chainlink giveaway if we hit $40 link by the end of November. So definitely take advantage of this. Follow and retweet to be entered. It's very, very simple to take advantage of these kind of giveaways. I do them pretty often, and they usually only get about 500 to 1,000 entries. So it'll be a great opportunity for you to at least attempt to get in these giveaways. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys want one more way to make money in cryptocurrency, get in early. get in early. It is still early for cryptocurrency, and it's still early for a lot of pre-sale ICOs, IDOs, a lot of those early coins that a lot of people don't have the opportunity to invest in. I give you guys the opportunity, at least about 2 coins per month on my Patreon. Every single one so far has gone positive. Every single one has done well. So that's going to be on the Patreon down below in the description as well. If you want to help support me, also hopefully help get supported in the idea of, finding some of those early cryptocurrencies that are going to do big things in the near future. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one.